Hi, this is Andy from Tight Assets Fitness Training. So one of the things I want to talk about is a problem that I personally struggle with and some other guys also struggle with. It's trying to put on a little bit of extra lean mass. These guys that tend to be a bit skinnier. Now, in our industry, we tend to see, things more geared around weight loss and other things geared around bodybuilding and just putting on weight. But putting on mass doesn't necessarily equate to bodybuilding. And some of us just want to be a little bit bigger, but not bodybuilding big. So I decided to start a video section called Skinny No More. So for the Skinny No More program, what we're going to do is we're going to be following myself and one of my friends, Neil, as we go through our journey on putting on a little bit of extra muscle mass. We're going to show you some of the programs and exercises that we're doing, and we're going to have some other tidbits in there to help, like little nutrition bits, some guests that are going to show you some things that you can do as well. And you're going to follow along and see some of the progress that myself and Neil make over the next little while. Okay, so for all you skinny people out there, keep watching, and we're going to show you great ways of improving yourself.